Hey y'all, welcome to Jeep Heritage. It's New Parts Friday again. We got a real special one, the mirror switch, an infamous part of these vehicles that always goes bad in every Grand Wagoneer ever. And whenever it does go bad, it's catastrophic. The insides fall out like they did out of this guy. Also, the chrome's pitted because it's probably older than you. What we did, we found a modern switch that has the same function of the original Grand Wagoneer switch, but we've made custom stainless milled and lathe cut pieces to make it look just like the original. So we've got two packages that you can purchase. One will include the mirror switch, the wiring, and an entirely restored set of mirrors. Now these were painstakingly disassembled, chromed, cleaned, function tested, reassembled. That includes the motor that moves the glass inside the mirror. This thing got taken apart, all the gunk was carefully cleaned out, electrical contacts were cleaned, reassembled and tested for perfect functionality. So package one is for you if you don't want to mess with anything breaking in the near term on your system. Now, if you want to go the DIY route, we've got you covered. We also sell just the switch. Now, that is going to require quite a bit more work on your part because you'll have to mess with the wiring. You'll also have the added complication of if your mirror motors are gummed up and jammed, you're going to have to take those all apart, clean them out, restore them. So the installation process is pretty simple. All you have to do is trim your door panel just a tiny bit so that this switch fits through, which we will be including a template to help you do that. Threaded studs are located in the same locations as the original posts that had speed nuts on the back, which are probably rusty on an original car. So we've got brand new stainless steel threaded studs, which are secured with two backing plates. And these will help you if your cardboard door panel is a little bit flimsy, maybe it's a little bit loose around the mirror switch. These will provide some stability on the back. When you tighten those nuts, it'll secure the switch perfectly. So all in all, this is your one-stop solution for replacing your original Grand Wagoneer electronic mirror switch. It'll last a lot longer than any original switch out there, even if it's been taken apart and restored, which we've had to do up until now. It's one of the biggest failing points on the interiors of these vehicles, so we thought it was important to give it the treatment it deserved. Go to jeepheritage.com to get your mirror switch today.